Hey guys, it's me, Simone, and I have a haul here. This is from Crafter's Companion, based on what it said. This has been an interesting process, I'm not gonna lie. I've been trying to see, but the tracking number they gave me never fully updated. I just checked it, like, I think 2 days ago, and all it said, it just left the UK and that's it. And so it was a little bit annoying, I'm not gonna lie, but I participated in the UK warehouse sale and a couple other items they had. I missed out on the US warehouse sale because I was at work and I didn't know about it. So a few things here. Let's go through. Okay. So I got the warehouse sale. I got 2 of the Centaur Pearl Snow Whites with a hint of silver, and the Centaur Pearl White with a hint of gold, and then a Centaur Pearl in old gold. That's all I got. And then I have like a percentage off from them. So let's go over here. It's like for my first time ever getting Centaur Pearl, I think I'm saying that right, paper, because I don't really buy from Crafter's Companion, like really at all. I don't have too many besides like their cutting machines and everything like that. But this is, I'm pretty sure this is, yeah, A4 size, 110-pound paper. So I guess this is the one with the hints of gold. I just dropped the order sheet on the floor. Oh, sorry, hint of silver. Hint of silver is when I got 2. I'm gonna say that's not gold. Yeah, I can definitely see the hint of silver in here. It's hard for y'all to see. And it comes with 10 sheets. And this was, I think it was it 4 for $14 or something like that? But it's pretty paper. I'm not gonna lie. Put that back up. Put it back in here, but regardless, it's okay. Then I got the one here, which is a Centaur Pearl Snow White and a hint of gold. Can you see that hint of gold? Not really, you're seeing the glare. But it's the same as this one, just a hint of gold. And this one is the old gold color, which I really do like this old gold color. It's hard to show it on camera with these bags. But it's a nice old gold color. Like the ones you see in like older picture frames and like kind of almost like gold foiling, old gold foiling and everything. Does this tell me when I ordered this package? Because it's been a while. This was back in May, I think the 24th. Alright, so this is the mystery bag. I know a lot of people are complaining that the US stuff, like the clearance, warehouse clearance, was much better than the UK. But I think that's just because the US warehouse was closed and the UK one was not. So they didn't have as much older stuff to, you know, get rid of. Alright, we're going to just peek my hand in and get everything out. I think this is supposed to be, I think $120 value is what it said. I got it for $33 after my discount. Okay, so I have this letter here, letter set, 1 pack, and this is a little P. I don't know what I would do with this. I see these all the time on their clearance section on their website. I never buy them. Okay, I have this foil transfer bundle of joy. This is all baby theme items. Ooh. That would have been great for my baby boy album I made earlier. If you guys saw me do that, that would have been awesome for this. I've already done that album. So, yeah. I don't know anyone else who's pregnant. Okay, I can't really put it back in right now. I'll do that later. I got the Sheena Creative Flower. This is the leaf petal. And it has a matching stamp set. So there's a leaf die. But they made a flower out of it too. So it's pretty cute. Alright, pull in here, see what else we have. I have some matte silver foil. Wow. Okay. I can see what kind of foil this is. It might be the ones you use with like sticky embossing paste and stuff like that. So we'll see. Alright, I got a lot of Sheena stuff. Okay, so I got the Sheena Sensational Centers. Centress. Almost like centers. That's an interesting shape. I don't know, to me it kind of reminds me of when they do like images of bacteria and viruses. They show you this is what the virus looks like. That's what it reminds me of. This one says be happy. Oh, it's not bad. I actually like this one. I see a lot of Sheena. Woo, I saw this. I had to pull it out. Oh wow, so this is the 15 metal die Century pop out. Wow, so that's what it looks like here. Now I have another one of these dies. So I did a Crafters blind bag we had on the website a while ago, and this big die. I'm trying to see if I can quickly find it. But I have something like this. It's not this one exactly, but it's a similar concept. I don't know where it is. I'm just gonna find it because I have something that's similar to this. Okay, here it is. I know I had something look that remind me of this. I have this die that I got in a blind bag a while ago. It just kind of reminds me of it. So this is how this one cuts and scores. So this one is. So you see this one, how it looks. It's a base card. But I just want to see. Alright, that's the one I got from a different blind bag. I just want to find it. Alright, this one, this is Cute Christmas Festive Phrases here. So it says, have a very Christmas, happy holidays, merry, and then it has a few words, happy, jolly, merry Christmas, and a banner. Like this. And you can compare them, combine them. Alright, this one is, I don't know her name though. Lonnie. I'm not gonna say the last name. But the Entwined collection. But it makes cute little heart banners. Oh, what are they called? Frames. Heart frames and a beautiful skinny butterfly. You know, frames are very in right now. A lot of dollars coming out with frames. So I like this one. It's cute. I have this one here. Oh, that's gorgeous. And this one is Desires. And this is the Christmas by Candlelight. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, this is so gorgeous. And I'm pretty sure this cuts into your paper. Based on the examples I'm seeing, I'm pretty sure it cuts into the paper. But it is gorgeous. I really do like this one. I can definitely see myself using that and the sentiments over it. Oh, gorgeous. I have this one, and this one is a Hello Gorgeous center. This goes to a specific element. Credit card. But you can use it in anything, I guess. I have this other one here. Oh, this is gorgeous. Jingle All the Way. Oh, it's a nice intricate bell design. I could definitely see myself using these for some cute Christmas cards, make some cute Christmas 3D projects, and have a little bell hanging. Gorgeous. Alright, that's it. So that's what we got. This is the what's the word? The UK mystery bundles. I am not gonna lie, I've still watching a few people. Oh gosh, I can't put this back in the bag. I've been watching a few people who were able to participate in the US warehouse sales, and I'll definitely say I do think they were a lot better than this. I do think some of these elements are great. Of course, like this transfer sheet, I'm not going to use. I don't know anybody's name that starts with a P. So I won't most likely use this one. I'm going to put that in D-stash or something. But the rest of the dies, I do like these dies, and I think they're really cute. But I get my dies really cheap anyways, from discounts, sales, warehouses, you know. So I'm kind of on the fence. So I think $33.25 was worth it. I don't know. I'm okay. I think I'm not like upset with anything I got. Actually, I'm really happy with everything I got on this side. So I do like it. So I don't regret anything. But I definitely would say I wish I was able to participate in the US warehouse sales, because they were, based on what I'm seeing people in their unboxing, they got a lot of stuff. And then you can get multiple bags and different different packs. So personally, for the price point and everything, I do definitely wish I was able to participate. This is me though. I kind of do wish Crafted Companion would do their things on like a weekend or later in the evening. I know they're in UK, so time changes are different, but a lot of their shows are done like at 11 o'clock in the day, where I'm like, I can't, unless you don't work, you stay at home mother or something like that. Like, you can't watch those videos, and most of the good sales and the great discounts are gone by the time I get home at like 4 or 5 o'clock to watch them, So it's a little thing I personally don't like, but that's me. These midday 6 o'clock in the morning shows that I don't know how anybody with a job can really watch those. I don't know. Unless your lunch break is around the same time. I don't know. It's just me. This is me. But I'm excited. I'm happy. I have to put these in a little bin, and they'll be put in the file of dies. I need to go through an inventory, and then some of these will be put in my giveaway or D-stash bin. But that's it. Much love, guys. I'll talk to you later. Have a great day and get crafty. Bye.